Piezo Wave Shockwave Therapy is taking the healthcare industry by storm by eliminating years of chronic pain almost overnight. We're going to cover some details that your pain management doctor in Big Pharma probably doesn't want you to know. Dr. Todd here. I'm standing with Joe Lemon. He is a Piezo Wave expert on this type of shockwave therapy. He's going to go ahead and explain a little bit more of the mechanism of how this technology works.
Yeah, so Dr. Todd, honestly, when you look at any type of focused shockwave therapy, right, you have the high energy, and that's putting in a lot of energy into the tissue. This is a form of lower energy focused shockwave therapy. And with that, we are sending in focused sound waves that create a mechanical force to help remodel tissue, increase more blood flow, as well as down-regulate pain, which is all necessary for restarting the actual healing process.
Something that you touched on was remodeling tissue, which is kind of like, from the general public standpoint, breaking up adhesions, breaking up scar tissue, fibrosis, all those things.
That's right. And you know, every time that you have that focused sound wave that's going to hit that tissue, which happens in nanoseconds too. This is not something that your body can really sense because it's 4 nanoseconds for every focused shockwave going in. But it's adding more blood flow as it's realigning that actual tissue to be a lot smoother. And so you're going to drive a lot of oxygen and all the good things that blood brings into that healing process.
So just to make sure that I'm summarizing what you're saying for everyone out there, Piezo Wave Shockwave Therapy essentially uses your body's natural healing mechanism to bring blood and other healing components to areas that maybe are avascular, that have a low blood supply, areas that are not getting all the good stuff that our body needs to create healing.
Especially when you think about how you can send these focused sound waves into the actual joint line and get into places that other tools or your hands just have difficult getting into. So that's one of the beauties that I think it really aligns really well with most chiropractic care.
Awesome. Cool. Well, that's covering the topic of the mechanism of how Piezo Wave Shockwave Therapy works. We have many more topics we're going to cover below, so we'll see you on the next video.
Video presentation by Meridian, Idaho Car Accident Chiropractic. We dedicate our service to Meridian, Idaho, auto accident victims who have been in a car collision and have experienced personal injury. Idaho law allows motor vehicle victims to pursue personal injury claims legally, and if you are not at fault, your chiropractic healthcare is covered 100%. The doctors of chiropractic at Meridian Car Accident Chiropractic in Meridian, Idaho, are specially trained to diagnose and treat hidden injuries following a car collision. If you or a loved one has been injured in any type of motor vehicle crash, we are here to help you get your life back on track. We provide clinical, diagnostic, and treatment excellence. We accept car crash victims, whiplash injury victims, commercial truck accidents, and motorcycle accident victims. There is no fee for you, your loved ones, and your friends to seek chiropractic care at Meridian, Idaho Car Accident Chiropractic. Call now 208-581-4353 and let's get you back on your feet.